YouTube. Don't ask me why the room is green. About to go on this little hike. Stay tuned.
Right, crash the ground, lower them. Drill, I take the car with on the other side, I throw it up.
Who the fuck are these?
Who the fuck are these guys?
G-Rex.
We in the country with it.
Life can feel mixed up or random, but when you start noticing patterns, balance, rhythm, flow, things start lining up. It's basically,
Yeah, the sun's up here. Where's the sun? Where was the sun at this whole time?
bang.
Yo, can you touch your like titties? Yeah, without bending your shit. You gotta hold it.
Can you listen back like this? I don't do that regularly. That shit trip. Like, do this shit like. Oh! Like, is that, bro? That's not human. Like, nobody relates to me, bro. That shit dead ass. If I stand regular, my shit cooked for.
All y'all getting for right now.
Hi.
Climbing these rocks is a workout.
Hey! Who the fuck's in here?
Oh, Jay. What's up, brother, man? Nice. Been a hell of a day. Yo.
Hi, guys.
This nigga, bro. Well, you did it, buddy.
We did it. We did it, guys.
3 hours later, guys.
After this, guys, stop by a restaurant called Tsunami in downtown, and after we're done with that, get out of here, nigga. Both suspended. Let's get out of here, bro. Yeah, we saw two guys with a ski mask, a short dude, and the other dude's like beat up and shit. I'm a little worried about the road.
Bullshit.
I'll keep it a buck.
We're going the wrong way.
You're going the right way with
That's where everything matters, guys. At the What the fuck? 2 hours later. Back on track, fellas.
Brother.
Rock on, let's get it. Made it, yo.
Be there. Hit me. You know what I'm saying? You got the
I'm gonna throw my wall in the back.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Yeah, I remember this. Let's see if you gained some weight. Ah, you lost some weight. Did I get skinnier?
Nah, nigga, you call the fire department to get the fuck.
Bolt cutters. Ah, yeah, I remember this spot, right? We back. Fancy.
I'm like, I damn near own this.
Say what's up.
Hi guys.
Can you get us to I gain a little weight. Oh! That jump was broke.
We'll check in with y'all later. We at the ball. Hey, sis.
You don't remember you swung that bitch and hit my knee?
I'm not gonna lie, fool, I do not remember that. I'll keep it fuck.
Hey, Chef.
Chef.
You made it into the other lane.
Good enough. You hear me? Good enough.
All right, Joe. Purple almost gotta help. Wait. Why don't you fix it?
Oh, no, that's straight.
I got the fucking bowling shoes on, bro. Oh my god, I walked out with the bowling shoes, bro. Hold on.
And he was closer.
Bro walked out with the bowling shoes.
You done that or you said that?
Stay there.
Alright.
Thank you. How much was your Osmo?
Appreciate you. Have a good night.
The next day.
All right, store number 577. Yo, how do you feel about it?
like it. It's just a curl. Like, it's not like a
Oh, I'll be. I should say what's up. This don't look tight. Nah. That sounds crazy. Who taught you that vocabulary? That's it. Bro, this looks so fire. Look at. Damn, son. You can have the poops.
And one slider with fries. Fuck it, I'm gonna get it. That shit looks.
This look fire, gang. Bro, it's like something I tried out in Florida for real.